So hello everyone, welcome to the new video. So today is Friday, and today again we are going KFC with a fun kashif, obviously. And today I have practiced a lot with this little thing, and I'm sure that I will make him lose today. Otherwise, I won't upload the vlog. So let's go. Let's put the upper on. Take the bag of laptop. Obviously, the laptop in it, and boom. So we are here at KFC, and today here we are with a fun kashif.
Me again.
Yep, he's again, and there's one more thing. This, and today we are again gonna 1v1. So
And you're going to lose again.
let's see who will win. So we will do only one round, and he will start first. So I will show the time in the end. So first, all right, everyone. So I'm doing editing right now, and during the editing process, I realized that the footage that we recorded at KFC got messed up. The audio is not synchronized, and video is glitching so much. So I thought I just should do the voiceover. All right, so let's start with the first attempt that Afan was doing. So Afan started, and yeah, it was pretty fun. Like I lost that disclaimer already. I lost that round, and that's because Afan is very fast at speed. Is cubing. Um, Even after the first round, when we finished all the recording and everything, we did the second round as well. We did the third round as well, and even though in those rounds, Afan was still fast. Like in 27 seconds, he's completed. And now he has the second attempt, and he was solving cubes so much fast. You can already see right now the clip is 250%, so it is already very fast. But if you what do we say, if you compare with the last video of KFC with this video, so you will see a major difference. And apology for not showing the cube in the camera, because obviously we were shooting from the back cam. And yeah, it was his third attempt. It was good, nice. I was just having the anxieties and all. Now this was the fourth attempt of him, and again apology, the half. Now the full cube is under the camera. That's all right. And during the cube solving, we were having a lot of discussion about sports and the future. Now this is his fifth attempt, and it went pretty well. Like, he was doing so much fast, as I told you before. I was just having the anxieties, and I was just getting nervous that would I be able to solve that or not. Now let's see, he's finished. Now let me show the average, like 43.09 seconds. So it's like good. Now it's my turn, and again, very big apologies, because from the next clip you will gonna you will not gonna see the cube. Sorry. It was my first, and to be honest, I was very scared. I was nervous. At 27 seconds, I saw the time, and like it was what do we say? I was just getting nervous, so much nervous. And at that point, in the second attempt, I was just so angry. I was just what do we say? Stumbling the cube on the table. Now that was my third attempt. It was also very fast. It went pretty well. Just the KFC star was behind me. I wasn't just noticing him, and yeah, there we go. I solved the cube. Come on, bro, solved it. See, the cube was sticking. So yeah, I can't do anything. Now again, big apologies. The cube is not visible now. It is visible, and yeah, we did it. Also, we had a discussion about the future thing regarding the channel. So maybe in the future we will, what do we say? We will surprise you with another thing. Now this was the fourth attempt, and this was the fifth and final attempt, which went pretty worst, like pretty worst. It went like 1 minute and 12 seconds, which is 72 seconds. And when we did the, what do we say? When we did the average, we did the average, then the average was 59 seconds. So yeah, it was pretty lame, pretty. I just lost. So yeah, you can see my average right now. It's like 59 seconds. All right, so that's for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for the video got messed up. Yeah, so that's it. Consider subscribing. Bye.